Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pidiredla. Let's do your reading for the month of October 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Taurus. And Taurus, if you haven't watched my iPhone review, you can click on this icon there, you can find it after the end of the reading. You got Judgment as the major arcana, first card basically. So most of the people in the month of October are getting major arcanas as their first card, and October is the month, the universe is choosing every zodiac sign to most of the zodiac sign to start majorly. So October month is a major month for every zodiac sign, most of the zodiac sign, or maybe every zodiac sign. Judgment represents pressure cooker basically. Okay, so Taurus, I feel like you have been given freedom in the past few months, because I don't remember you getting Judgment as your first card, or even in the reading most of the time, not much for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising, and this time you got as a first card. So the reason you got this as the first card because you were not in this energy before in any of the readings at any place. So this one popped out as the first card. So as I said, in the previous months you have given freedom from the universe, but this time you need to take a decision. You need to move forward, okay, in a particular path, and in a particular path in the sense that you decide to go to. So there'll be few options available for sure, and you need to choose which side you want to go for. That is Judgment. So let's see. Taurus, this is a major month. You need to wake up. Okay, so you have relaxed a lot in the previous months, which is a good thing. Maybe you need that rest, right? Maybe you need that restoration to your body and the mind. But this month you need to wake up, as I said. As I was taking this next card, I told you to wake up, and this card represents the same. Wake up, Taurus, because Seven of Pentacles represents waking up. You see, this is going up. And also Seven of Pentacles represents working hard. You can see in the Rider-Waite, he'll be sitting next to the tree and he'll be shaping the pentacle. He'll be creating coins. Okay. He'll be taking the stone and he'll be stabbing it to make coins. So that is pentacles. So it represents working hard financially, to become financially abundant, to be financially stable basically. So you need to work hard. You need to wake up in the month of October. That restoration what you had was for a reason. Now it's time to work. Now it's time to get in the game and work towards your coins. Maybe you were teenager in the past. You are studying and now you have completed the education, you have graduated, and now you are someone who is working, getting money, working in your career in order to get the money that you need. Okay, for few people this is an indication basically. For the people who are undergoing graduation, this is a very good indication that you will get a good career in the future. Okay, something which will bring coins to you, but you have to be in the game. You need to work hard. You need to wake up and work hard. But coins will be there. Coins will be compounding. This is also a compounding card. So let's get into the reading more. Third card, Ace of Wands. Wonderful. amazing. You're looking for that spark, you're looking for that inspiration basically in the month of October. You know that you want to work hard, you have to work hard. You know that you need to wake up and start moving, but you're looking for that spark. Ace of Wands, you're looking for that drive. Imagine you waking up in the morning and you basically need a thought of the day to just push you out of that bed and go forward, you know. So you're looking for that spark. You're looking for some spark, which is good. I think it will be given to you, definitely, because I kept Lord Ganesha in front of it, just in front of this card. So I think universe is gonna give you that spark in some or the other fashion, in some or the other way. It might be people, it might be pictures, it might be songs, anything. Ace of Wands, wish for the spark, you will get it. If you want something, wish for it. Universe will always listen to you. Four of Cups, no way. Look, this might be new to you, okay? This, everyone gets nervous when they get into the state for the first time, or everyone gets nervous when they start something new, especially which is very big, you know. So I know the nervousness, it takes time, okay? But don't block yourself too much, you know. Allow yourself, try to be confident, okay? For example, someone calls you to get into the stage, okay? Just go there, you know. You know that you're a little nervous, but it's alright to go there, you know. Maybe after going there, things might change. Maybe after going there, you will see the audience cheering you up, and it'll make you more comfortable, and that nervousness will just fade away. So you have to be in the spotlight. You have to be in the spotlight. You have to be in the light. You can see this rat is in the dark, and you have to not be in the dark. You have to be in the light. And this is the Ace of Wands. You asked for that spark, and in order to get that spark, you have to go there. You have to go and receive that. Okay? When you wish for something, basically you are asking the universe, this is what I want. And when universe is giving you that, we also need to receive it. If you don't receive it, you'll never achieve that. Okay? Many people want success, but they don't receive that. Universe will give them. It's already there. You have to just receive the gift. You have to receive the wish. So as I said, be in the spotlight, be in the light. Don't be stuck in the dark. Even though you're nervous, just be in this light. Okay? And you can see, if you go through the light, this bird, this is the universe, it will guide you through the right way. This is a guide for you. This universe is a guide for you. So all these bats, few of these bats are chosen to go to the light. This is what you have to do. The same representation. Two of Cups, interesting. I told you. The audience might cheer you up, okay, and make you comfortable. In the same way, it can be many people, or it can be single person who inspires you to move forward, like this Ace of Wands which you asked. And this Ace of Wands spark which you asked might come in the form of emotions. Okay? They might say something very emotional, and you will take that very emotionally, and that will be the spark for you. Ace of Wands. Someone who is very close, like a family member or a partner also, if you have one. Ace of Pentacles. Interesting. Amazing. Now you know that if you work hard, this is the coin, big coin you are going to get. And you are not focusing on the small coins. You're working hard and you're focusing on the big one. which is really good. If you have the focus like this, I think nothing can stop you. Okay. There is a famous saying in Twitter. There's one guy called Naval, and I'm a big follower of him. So he said one of these lines like, learn how to sell, learn how to build. If you can do both, you will be unstoppable. So if you have dead focus like this Ace of Pentacles, what you want, and if you just go and get there, you are 50% there. Okay, that's why I'm telling, just climb the stage, just get into the stage, and 50% of the work is done without you noticing it. It's like there'll be 10 stairs, climb the first stair and you're almost 90% done. Just go ahead. So next card is Ace of Swords. You got Ace and Ace again. I told you climb the first stair, and one might be significant for you because you got Ace and Ace. You got Ace of Wands. Oh my goodness. Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords. If you get Ace of Cups, I'll be blown away again. One might be significant for you, Taurus. Your life path number might be 1. Your birthday might be 1. October 1. October 1st. Or something to do with 1. Definitely significant. New changes when it comes to career. New changes when it comes to money related matters. Okay. So when it comes to money, new money is gonna come. New career is gonna come. New knowledge is gonna come. Ace of Swords. New wisdom is gonna come. Ace of Wands. Oh my goodness. New spark is gonna come. What else is gonna come? 5 of Swords. Here, listen, Taurus, you have to be strong. There'll be people who will attack you in the month of October. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. And this sword, use this sword which you have, Ace of Swords, in order to cut these people out. Don't listen to the naysayers. If they say you can't do this, don't listen to them. Just cut them off with this sword which you have. You can see this sword is the same sword which appears over here. And 5 of Swords represents defeat. Okay, it represents defeat, 5 of Swords. So many people might be saying you can't do this, you can't become this, you can't become that. Just cut them off. Arnold Schwarzenegger told, don't listen to the naysayers. Just last week I watched this video. It's very, very good. So that motivation definitely is required. Okay. If someone says you can't do something, show them that you can do something and that they are wrong. High Priestess, Major Arcana, second Major Arcana, which is very much required. Now they know who you are. When you cut these people out, they will see you as the High Priestess. They will see you as someone who deserves to sit in a very good position, to be in a very good position, to be authoritative, to have that image. They will see that image in you. They will see that side of you, which is very authoritative, which demands justice, which demands intelligence. High Priestess is all about intelligence. It knows how to speak. Usually it doesn't speak much, High Priestess, but when it speaks, everyone in the room listens, including the king. That is the High Priestess. So she is very intelligent. She has completed a lot of careers. She has graduated many times. So that is the High Priestess. They will see you as the High Priestess. Son of Swords. Amazing. You might be connecting with Virgo or Aquarius person. They might also come to you and try to help you. I can sense that because Aquarius, you can check out Virgo reading. I told them Aquarius person is the Son of Swords for them and they're gonna help them. in order to get into a safe spot. And when Virgo is in a position of Son of Swords, they get inspired to help others, and they will see you being attacked by this, and they come to you, but before they come to you, you are already defeated the naysayers, and this person is just late to the game in order to help you. But it's a good way. You'll communicate them that everything is all right, and you might also become friends with them, as above as below. Two of Cups, they're going to become a good close friends to you. So that is some nice story. If that relates, comment down below. Bottom of the deck is Hanged Man. Interesting. You are actually waiting for this judgment to take place. Similar kind of message came to one of the readings in the month of October. I'll mention in the description box if I get the video, but you can check out one of the zodiac sign has got this kind of message. Bottom of the deck was Hanged Man, and the first card was Judgment. I believe it is Gemini or someone, might be Aquarius or Gemini, I can't say who is that, but very similar message. Hanged Man in the bottom of the deck and Judgment in the starting. So you are just waiting for this judgment to take place in the month of October deep down, and that is what you are already doing. You have the intelligence to start with the judgment. Hanged Man, you have the intelligence, you are just waiting. So very good, Taurus. If there are many messages, and this last bottom of the deck also relates to the first card, so you again watch the reading from the start to get clarity with the bottom of the deck. And yeah, if you like the video, click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, click on the bell icon. And thank you guys for so much support. We have completed 1,000 subscribers. We have reached 1,000 subscribers and still more to come. Thank you guys for so much support. I'll be doing many videos for you guys, high quality videos, and providing good value to you. And having this support really motivates me, and it means a lot to me. So thank you guys for so much support. And yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Taurus.